This is an actual email that went around our office. Hey everyone, a set of keys was found in the downstairs refrigerator. If they're yours, come find Becky. Can you please tell us whoever it is that claims them so we can make fun of them? Thanks. If you keep them in the freezer, they last longer. Just saying. It's not me. I only keep my keys on the second and third floor refrigerators. They are mine, Emily wrote. I put them on my leftovers so I won't forget to take them home with me at the end of the day. Now that's an interesting strategy. It works. She keeps forgetting to take home her leftovers. Apparently that causes problems for others as well as herself. She knows herself. She knows herself. You know what she knows about herself? Is she's likely to forget to take home her leftovers. So she tricks herself, doing a little something because she knows herself that will make sure she takes them home. What's that? Well, I can't drive home without keys. So I'll do what? I'll make myself go to the leftovers because that's where I'm going to leave my keys. Isn't that interesting? Do you do anything because you know yourself so well to trick yourself into doing what you want yourself to do? That's what we're talking about. That's what we're talking about. Dan Ariely told students they had to complete 5 papers for his graduate class, or his undergraduate class. The first group could turn in papers any time before the end of the semester. Second group could decide in advance when they would turn them in and then submit the schedule to him. Once they had decided, they'd be penalized if they're late. The third group would be given a set schedule by their teacher. Do you understand the options? Which would be the easiest? First, let me turn it in when it's convenient for me, right? Which would be the hardest? Let me turn it in when the teacher wants it. What did most students choose? Almost 80%. Over 75%, chose to be in the second group, which could decide in advance when they turned in, but once they decided, they'd be penalized if they're late. Why not go the easier way?
Give me a timetable, I'll work to it. And if you don't give me one, I'll come up with one myself.
What do you know about yourself?
I know I'm not good at doing things without a timetable.
I know I'm not good at doing things without a timetable. I saw an interview with Bob Dylan. Oh my heck, the Musemeister. I love Bob Dylan. And here he was. He must have been 65. He looked 80, but I think he was only 65. And this interviewer said, Bob, what does it take for you to write one of those wonderful songs? And he goes, a deadline from my publisher. He said, what? He says, oh yeah, if I go down the beach with my guitar, he said, I sleep. But if I have a deadline, I sit in my office and I start writing a song. What did he know about himself? Yeah? What these students did is they knew about themselves. They knew if the teacher holds them accountable, they'll do it. Source 3. And if they have a schedule that's set and they get penalized if they don't follow it, then they'll do it. And they liked the flexibility of choosing their own schedule, but they liked it being set and the teacher holding them accountable to get them to do it. That's what they had learned about themselves. Isn't that interesting? It's a way of tricking themselves, isn't it? Yeah.